we are getting you breaking news when it comes to what the Supreme Court said on Arvind Kejriwal. So there is no order on Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail just yet. The Supreme Court has reserved its order on Arvind Kejriwal's interim bail plea. To get more details on this, we'll be joined by Bhavtosh and Harish. Bhavtosh, right now, there is no interim relief yet for the Chief Minister of Delhi. Take us through what happened in the Supreme Court and what are the implications of what happened today.
Well, some very pertinent questions were asked by the Supreme Court, particularly by Justice Khanna. He asked as to why Arvind Kejriwal was arrested when the investigation in the case started in August 2022. Also, he asked when was the first politician was arrested, to which Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju said that he was arrested, Deputy Chief Minister was arrested on 4th of March 2023. Importantly, he kept on stressing on the fact that why in this case politicians are being arrested and why Arvind Kejriwal was only arrested in March just after the dates were announced by the Election Commission.
All right, let's also go across to Harish. Harish, we saw some very pertinent points there being made during the judgment. The judges also made a few interesting observations while hearing the interim bail, the bail plea of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Tell our viewers and break it down in detail as to what happened inside the courtroom today.
Yes, in fact, the Supreme Court bench was considering interim relief for Kejriwal, given the fact that he has not just sought bail, he has in fact sought quashing of his arrest and subsequent remand orders. So, considering the fact that Supreme Court is going for summer vacations from 18th and this matter cannot be heard before that and can only be taken up again after July 8th, Supreme Court was considering interim bail for Kejriwal in view of the elections.
Right.
The Supreme Court had noted that he is an elected representative and that these are extraordinary circumstances, and was also planning to impose a very interesting condition that he cannot sign official files, he cannot discharge official duties on ground of ethics, morality. In fact, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for ED, had vehemently opposed, saying that there cannot be a separate law for a politician and another law for common man, as thousands are languishing in jail, and such urgency, such preferential treatment cannot be given for Kejriwal. He cannot be singled out for any special rights, and heavens will not fall if he doesn't campaign. This is what Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who had appeared for ED, argued. So now, after hearing both sides, Supreme Court has reserved its judgment. It's expected that the judgment might come out in a day or two. Back to you.
So, as you can see, there is no interim relief yet for the Chief Minister of Delhi. In the court too, there were multiple observations made. It was a riveting hearing today that took place in the courtroom. The SG mentioned, like Harish has been telling us, that heavens will not fall if Arvind Kejriwal does not campaign.